Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create blank number list in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add blank number list. Go to the blank page. Then go to the tools option and select the text tool and draw a text box to this page. Then click inside the text box and go to the window menu. Then go to the text option and choose the paragraph option. Then go to the paragraph settings option and enable the bullets and numbering list. Then choose the no list option or types option, select numbering list. Now we can see we add a blank number list very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.